Yo, what's the word? Back again with another video. Today, I made a little over $1,500 trading Asia session. Now, let's get to the charts. Let's break it down so I can teach you how to do the same. All right, I'm gonna get started with the video. As you can see, we're bare. The market or my charts have nothing on them. I'm gonna show you exactly what I did and exactly every step I took in order to catch that $1,500. So first thing I do is I'm on the hour time frame, and I want to take control of my market structure. So what I mean by that is understand where the market is going on a higher time frame. That way, when you do place your trades on these lower time frames, you're able to follow a higher time frame bias. Therefore, the move should be a little longer. So the first thing you're gonna do is draw it out, right? And you can use your tool to have your low to high, high to low, new high right there, new low right here, new high right here. And right now we are ranging in between the low and the high. So you move this over to the side, you'll start to see that the market structure is bearish, right? If you're looking at just these candles right here, especially if you're a beginner, it might be a little confusing. You can't really tell. It looks like a lot of up and down, up and down. But if you are to just draw the line like this, you'll see that we're bearish. So I want to look for sales as I'm looking to trade my Asia session. So from there, we're gonna go to our 5 minute time frame. Now, with 5 minute time frame, you want to make sure you have your mob cycle indicator on. And if you're in my VIP, all students get this indicator for free. But once you have that time cycle indicator on, it's pretty simple. You now want to line up structure with your higher time frame structure. So on the higher time frame, remember that we were bearish, we were looking to sell down. I'm going to look for regions for sales on this as well. So first thing I'm doing is marking out my low here, high here, low here. Now that I have my overall range of where I want the market to come, essentially what I want to see happen are one or two things. One, the market either comes in this area, right, gives us a tap to keep falling down, or we break below our 90-minute cycle low in order to find something to sell from. So we're going to play the market, kind of see what happens. You see, just kind of hovering in that area. Then, man, I'm stuttering. I don't know what I'm talking about. But then the market eventually closed below our 90-minute mob cycle low. Now, what does this mean? What do we do with mob cycle lows? Essentially, a mob cycle low is a break and retest area. And it's a strategy that I've built within my community that whenever we get past these lows or highs and we break it, we then want to retest that break to continue down, right? So I'm going to be looking for an entry in this area. Now, what I'm also understanding, what I'm also seeing is we have liquidity right here. So with that being said, I honestly don't want to enter the trade until we break above this high. Now, the way I want to enter this trade is if we break above this high, don't enter just yet. You want to see it start to creep back down below the 50%. Once you get below the 50%, you can then place your trade and you can expect kind of this whole pattern to kind of play out. So let's slow this down. Let's go to 1 minute per click. So boom, market goes up. Still just kind of watching. Boom, it takes it out, but then it gives us our entry right here. So then your stop loss, you then will put it above your cycle high, just like this. And then where you want to aim are for higher time frame areas. So you could say you have a level right here you could aim for, or you might want to just aim for this gap, whatever you may like. So I aim for this gap because I know Asia session tends to move pretty heavy on Mondays. So I was cool being in the trade longer and just kind of watch how it plays out. You'll see, uh, boom, just like that, TP is hit. That is a 1 to 9 just about. So that's how we made a little over $1,500 today trading Asia session. If you want to trade with me or trade with the team, go ahead and join the VIP. The link will be in the description for that. But guys, it's time. It's time y'all start trading, bro. If you haven't started, if you've been thinking about it, or you've been trading for a while but you're not seeing the progress you need to see, it's time for you to really lock in, bro. This can be what changes everything. Like we know why you want to trade. We know it's not just about the money, bro. It's not just about the money. It's about the freedom. It's about the time. It's about having your life back. It's not giving 40 hours of your life to somebody every week to chase their dreams. Instead, you can give yourself 20 minutes and chase your own dreams and make more money than they would ever give you. Markets have been choppy recently, so be careful with market conditions, right? Aim for what you know and do what you can do, but don't overdo it in these markets. Not in the summertime. It's the worst time to trade, in my opinion. But anyways, that is everything I have for today. Again, if you want to catch these setups with us live, go ahead and make sure you join the VIP. If not, catch it yourself or just watch these videos. That'll help too. So that's everything I got. Again, peace, love, stay smooth.